24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. Preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in Florida listening area originating from Ruskin. This is also a test of the same specific area message. Same unit can only do the counties. These tests are scheduled, conducted Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and potentially again between 6 p.m. and 8, unless severe weather threatens. The test is done.